Welcome my YouTube channel, Iring Banbano, no? Let's go in Mamsar Bay, no? Sunset time, so let's watch people are fishing, no? So tara na, let's go and join them. So it's a lot of people here for fishing. So it's so maybe next time we'll try it's a lot so beautiful place, no? Sharjah, and this is going to Dubai, other side. So a lot of people here fishing. It's a beautiful place, no? Magandang umaga po. Not yet, maybe not yet. So maybe later we catch a shark. So I think it's a lot of fish here. No? So this area so yeah, trying to get more fish. It's a nice place, no? So I love to go out here and fishing. So Iring Banbano, this is my first time here. License for fishing, no? It's online. So it's only required for get to get the license for fishing. I think so. So I'll be back here and buy some fish crab. So this is a beautiful place in Dubai. So come and visit here, Mamsar. So yeah. Oh, itong mga Pilipino dito, nag-fishing sila.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog.
Yun, oh, mga vlogger din to, ha? Oo.
Wala, nagkusiyalan ko.
Ano, nag-aasa man ka doon? Si Mamang ko.
Ha?
Asa si Bo? Mandawi ko.
Borbon.
Ma'am, kanit lang ma'am. Kanit taga Bourbon, ma'am. So maybe I'll buy next week, no, for fishing rod. Kaya dali lang natin siya makuha ko license na online. So makuha ko sa certificate sa company and then abang ideas. Easy, no?
Famous.
Oo, mga Iring Banbanon, ha? So come and visit here, no? It's a beautiful place, no? Look at mga Filipino, mga Bisaya. Taga Bourbon, no? Ako nagkakuan man ko taga Lasyon, Liluan, no? Maagian ra. Maagian ra. Taga Lasyon na. Mga kuan, mga bisdak dako. Vamos pa kita. Eh, Diyos ko. Uy, kadako. Oh, ito.
Welcome to my vlogs. Rene, wag kang ganyan, Rene.
Iyan na doon yan. Ha? Dako kasi dako bangus. Ma'am, dako kayong bangus, ma'am. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Pinagkuhan na mo eh. So, thank you guys ha.
Okay, guys.
Kita-kita rata. Kita-kita
Kaya na
rata.
guys.
Oo. Sige, bye-bye. Guys, if I have my own materials for fishing, I want to go back in Al Mamsar Bay. So because they're allowing to fishing no that area. So I want to buy my own fishing rod and all the materials for fishing. It's really good to try, and I want to go back that place because it's really nice. No, it's a lot of fish and libre na. No, it's for free. So one thing it's to get my own license by online. So that's free, no? Online free for licensed fishing. So let's see and check. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. Shalala bang bang. Bye bye. See you. Take care. God bless to everyone.